Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Science Supply. Picking the right film for wall application is super important, but it's not everything. So check out this short clip from my interview with General Formulations to learn a few more tips and tricks to make sure your install is a success. What does the installer need to do? What questions do they need to ask to their customers, and what do they still need to do to prepare the surface for these films?
Well, great question once again. So walls, like vehicle graphics years ago, walls are different. So again, we have high-tech paints that are easy clean, easy wipe down. Then it makes it a little more challenging for what it adheres to. We've included a new high-tech removal adhesive that bonds to these harder surfaces. But in prepping, again, I'll remind people like a vehicle is one of the most important things. When wiping it down and cleaning it, we have a document online that helps you walk through step by step. But in general, we call it the Mr. Miyagi. We have one wet, one dry, where you're loosening up something on the wall and then wiping it off. So generally a soap and water type wash, and then you have to let it dry. And even wiping it down with isopropyl alcohol, where you cut it 50% water, 50% isopropyl, then for your final wipe down, and making sure you're getting the corners, again, like a vehicle, where you're gonna put the film. So when it adheres, it's gonna adhere well. But again, we also have the hand samples that we would recommend testing, because there's different paints, different textures. Again, that's why we have different films for different obstacles or solutions.
Okay, and so for a painted surface, what are some of the questions an installer needs to ask their customer before applying material?
Whether the wall's been painted recently, if it has, what kind of paint, has it been primed before painted, making sure it's enough dry time by the recommendations of the manufacturer of the paint or the facility manager to find out whether, what kind of paint's been used, the brand, and check. There again, we have a lot of information about the paints to use and paints to probably stay away from on our website too, to help that installer. But again, the biggest thing is, has it been painted? If so, how long? And if it's dry, because we're talking about dry to touch versus dry to cure all the way through. And we wouldn't recommend it until it's dry to cure all the way through, or it could have a failure or something that's coming down when it shouldn't.